Oh, are you sure? I don't mind. I haven't told anybody for 2 months.
See? No problem.
Let's put it in gear, guys. We'll be late for school. Oh, someone has to get stuck. Eventually. Hey, wait for me!
All right, class. Today's race will be in the style of follow the leader. So, who wants to lead?
I'll do it. I'll do it. Hit me, Big Wheelie. I'll be a great leader.
All right, LT. The job is yours.
Oh, yay!
Remember, stay close and try not to lose sight of the leader. We don't want anyone taking a wrong turn into the gunk.
Why not? Then I get to tow them out. How cool would that be? Everybody ready? Ready!
Ready!
Go!
Good morning, race fans. It's follow the leader time, and LT's in command with the other trucks nipping at his tailpipe. But are they ready for the hairpin turn?
Okay, everybody. How high can you fly?
What a jump! LT is going to need a pilot's license if he wants to fly like that.
Come on, slowpokes. Foot to the floor.
Boy, howdy! LT is headed off-road, and the others are trying to keep up.
Oh yeah! This is my tennis tower!
Did you see that?
Yeah, but I don't believe it. He's driving on top of the water. If LT can do it, so can we.
Whoa! I love to fly fish, but this creek is a little too murky for me. You never know when the bottom will drop out on you. Look out, slowpokes! Coming through! Yes! All right! Oh no! Are you both stuck? That's great! That's terrible. What happened? Yeah, cuz. How did you get across when we both sank? I guess you didn't know there was a rock bridge under the water. It's time for a tow. Watch out, everyone. Truck at work. No thanks needed. I'm happy to lend a little tow whenever you get in over your headlights. Well, come on. I got something extra special up next. I don't know if I want to play anymore. Aw, come on, cuz. You're just mad because I'm the leader and you're not.
This is a race, remember? We've lost enough time already. Can you be more careful where you lead us?
Sure, but I can't help it if you can't keep up. Yeah, right. We know who's the fastest in this family. Yeah!
Well, it looks like the gang is a little muddier, but they're still hot on LT's tailpipe.
Wow! It sure felt good to tow again. I wonder... Wow!
Hey! Something's wrong with LT! LT! What happened?
I lost control and now I'm stuck.
Try lowering your gear!
No, I'm still stuck. There's one thing that might work. Maybe if one of you could come down and give me a push, I'd be all right.
Don't worry, LT. I'll give you a nudge. I'm slipping! Now I'm as stuck as you are.
Oh, wait. I think I can move now. I'm free. girl. I'll get you out. 3 toes in one day. That's a new record.
LT, we know you love to tow, but that wasn't a very nice trick.
As your leader, I promise it won't happen again.
Well,
Great. Let's go. This is the best game ever.
Aren't we going to follow?
He's just gonna try and get one of us stuck again so we can tow us out.
let's just head on back, y'all. With all the stopping and towing, it wasn't much of a race anyhow. But what about LT?
Don't worry, I'm sure he'll be right behind us. When he sees we're not right behind him.
Well, folks, it looks like the race just ended with a whimper instead of a bang. After all, you can't